Namaste. Let us now know about the first chapter of the text Vaidyakya Subhashita Sahityam, which is entitled Vaidyaka Shastra Vignyana. To give a brief introduction about this topic, this chapter deals with the medical aspects of Ayurveda. This chapter says the definition of Ayurveda and also the defects of body, speech, mind, and the remedies how it can be cured. It also says the importance of medical and astrological science and its eternity. And finally, it concludes that medical science is considered to be the best of all the other sciences. Now, let us have a brief look about all these topics. Definition of Ayurveda. Ayurveda defines life into four components such as Hitayu, Ahitayu, Sukhayu, and Dukhayu, which means that which is conducive to the life, which is non-conducive, prosperous, and non-prosperous, respectively. The science which says that which is conducive to the prosperity of life, which is not, and which says about the limit of life is called as Ayurveda. Simply to say, the knowledge about the entire Ayu, that is the life, is called Ayurveda. Means of treating the defects of body, speech, and mind. The doshas or defects concerned with the body, speech, and mind or intellect is immaculated by medical treatment, grammatical knowledge, and philosophical knowledge, respectively. But the true knowledge of Ayurveda immaculates psychological as well as physiological defects. Now let us look into the importance of medical science and astrology. The enjoyment that we get by listening to a peaceful music is instantaneous. The happiness will be there for a month by listening to the mythologies or Puranas. Vedas yield happiness after a long time, but studying medical science and astrology gives happiness forever. To put in other words, the productivity and usefulness of studying Ayurveda and astrology is eternal. Importance of medical science and astrology. The knowledge of the other sciences is for the sake of entertainment or amusement. Acquiring the knowledge of such sciences is of no important use. But on the contrary, medical science, astrology, and hymnology inspires and encourages at every moment of our life. Throughout the life, it yields fruit, that is, it is always eternal. Selection from duals in life. Any one from the dualities mentioned below needs to be selected for begetting knowledge, happiness, and venerable ones. The duals are medical science, knowledge of self, comfort, penance, king, or monk. Generally, all the above mentioned ones are needed and are very much fruitful. The uses of medical science and knowledge of self are one and the same, and hence there is no wrong in selecting either of the two. Here, the author wants to say that medical science is the best among the lot more. To conclude, we should try to expertise or gain that knowledge from every aspect of life can be known. It is of no use just by learning and knowing about the things for curiosity or for fun. However, to conclude, medical science is the best Shastra that is expounded by the saints. Thank you.